Hello everyone and welcome to What I Eat in a Week at Home. I'm going to be sharing a bunch of recipes you can make at home, whether it's Asian food or American food, and that's me in case you forgot what I look like. I try to eat nutrient-dense food that's going to fuel my body, but it's also about balance, so not feeling guilty whenever I do treat myself. Feel free to screenshot any of these recipes, but if you make them, take a picture and tag me on Instagram. One of my favorite pasta sauces. Ta-da!
잔인해 그대란 사랑 작은 유리병에 나를 넣고 나를 놓아주면 안 되나요? 나 그대 없으면 고백해 고백해 멋은 없어도 나 지금 진지해 장난 아닌데 유치해 미안해 하지만 내 맘 그 어떤 세련된 말로도 대신 못해 사실 달려가 너를 안고 싶어